Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your read. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind to the channel. And yes, Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So the cards I have on the table till now, Taurus, is the Emperor, Five of Swords, Three of Cups, Death, Seven of Cups, the World, Three of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Alright, and the Lovers in reverse, which means there is a decision getting made now, Taurus. Let's see what this is all about. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And center of my spread also, Taurus, I do see the Seven of Cups in reverse. So this again is getting out of confusion, knowing what you want and deciding on what you want, which is a wonderful place to be. But the surprising part is on both sides I have the Death in reverse, which is fear of change, and the other side I have the World in reverse, which is not being able to shut down a chapter, but at least the choice is made. Somebody is taking back power and control of their life, and trying to get out of a place where they have been maybe in a lot of stress and sleepless nights, and trying to put down a burden now. So that's a positive sign. Let's start with some dialogue message cards for you, Taurus. Let's see if you guys wanted to say something to each other now, what that would be first. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person, if they wanted to say something to each other. Let's take a few more from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person, spirit. All right. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, which are messages from the heart. Taurus and their person. Thank you. All right, Taurus, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here for you says, "It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection?" Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of your pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see what I've seen in you all along. I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I'll never let you go. You're my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. Alright, Taurus, if this is resonating with your life story, let's start with an angel blessing. Angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance. You're a leader. Yes, I do see an emperor here. And now we've got the card of you're a leader. It's time to show people what you're made of, Taurus. Take the lead in your life for yourself. Make your decisions. If something has been too overwhelming, it's time to drop that and get out of this overthinking, not sleeping well at night, always kind of stressed out. It's time to make that decision. All right, so Taurus, let's begin. Emperor Spirit. What's this Emperor card for Taurus? Who's this Emperor for Taurus? And the Five of Swords. Emperor and the Five of Swords. Taurus, this could be somebody in your life who you expected to be an emperor, but ended up not being one. Or maybe there was always a lot of conflict, and a lot of fighting, lot of conflict, lot of my way or the highway, just trying to make you always maybe feel bad about your life or about yourself, and always making you feel like you were a loser or something like that. And you feel it's time to take back balance, take back control of my life. There's no happiness here anymore. There's no working together. Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles. There is discord, and yes, you feel whoever this person was in your life may have showed up initially as an emperor, saying I'm going to bring, justice to your life or whatever, but ended up always making you feel not good enough maybe, or making promises that they never kept. There is no happiness left here. There is no working together left here, but there is still a little bit of holding on to this connection. I see that there's a feminine energy who's kind of very upset and angry, has probably made up their mind to, get out of this place of always feeling abandoned and neglected, and turning their back on this situation, has made some kind of a decision, but still holding on for some reason, or maybe somebody is holding on to you, wondering if there is any possibility of getting back together. Seven of Cups, Spirit. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups in reverse. Yes, somebody doesn't want you to choose here, feminine, whoever you are. There is a kind of a very strong attachment here. Very, very strong attachment. Somebody is obsessively stalking or holding on, or not wanting to let you go. They feel that's the right decision, even though there may not be any love here. The World in reverse, Spirit. World in reverse. World in reverse. If somebody doesn't want to shut this chapter down, Taurus, even though this relationship has taken still in troubled waters. There is still a lot of defensive energy, quite a lot of stagnancy, holding back, communication which may not be that great, or maybe lack of communication, I don't know, but there is still a fear either of letting go, or somebody is still holding on to you very tight. Three of Wands, Spirit. Three of Wands. What's this Three of Wands? Knight of Wands again. Somebody has turned their back, but I don't know. What's this Nine of Swords, Spirit? somebody is really wanting to heal and maybe go towards their happiness, which they feel is with someone else. I think they want to turn their back on this past thing. As much as they want to come out of this stressful place, they are worried that if they do, they're going to make a tower fall, or this something may backfire on them, or hurt them, or disrupt their life. 10 of Wands, Spirit. 10 of Wands. Somebody is still holding on, latching on to some kind of false security, which actually doesn't make them very happy, and staying stuck in it. Yes, look at this. There's a 4 of Wands with the Empress in reverse. Now, isn't that called false security? On the face of it, for people, yes, there's stability, but where is the Empress? Knocked off her throne. But somebody is still stuck here, not going for a fresh new beginning, still feeling very stuck, wanting desperately, has made a decision to drop the burden, but still staying stuck here. Somebody knows very well where their wish fulfillment lies, where their happiness lies, but still staying stuck at the moment. So I think that's why Spirit is saying you're a leader. You have to take the lead here if you want to move towards, this energy, the sun and the star, and, take charge and move. You'll have to move. You can't stay stuck here wondering if it's going to backfire. If you go towards your happiness, it's going to backfire. This is called false sense of security as I've ever seen it. Empress in reverse with the 4 of Wands upright. So I think it's time for you to be a leader and drop whatever is not good for you, Taurus. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.